Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to send your management reports in QuickBooks to other people via email. It's going to be very easy. So you can log into your QuickBooks account and then you can go to your reports menu in the left side of your screen, this one. And then you can click management reports. And then you will be in this page. As you can see, I have three reports: company overview, sales performance, and expenses performance. So let's say I want to send the sales performance to the maybe sales department. So I'm gonna choose this file, this report, and you can choose the report period. I'm gonna choose this year. It's up to you. And then you can preview it if you want. I'm gonna click this drop down and then I'm gonna click send here, and then you can type the emails. You can send to multiple emails separate with comma, and then you can add the subject here, and you can choose the format, maybe PDF or Microsoft Word document. And also you can add the message here, you can modify it, and you can also choose the file name. After that, you can just click send email and it will immediately send the reports to the recipients. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.